Step into a world veiled in smoke and time, where the ghosts of industry whisper tales of a bygone era. We're journeying to old Havana, but not the one you see on postcards. We're searching for its lost factories, the magnificent cathedrals where tobacco was transformed into legend. Imagine the air, thick and sweet with the scent of curing leaves, a perfume that has captivated connoisseurs for centuries. This wasn't just manufacturing, it was an art form, a ritual passed down through generations. Long before the revolution redrew the map of this island nation, Havana was the undisputed epicenter of the cigar world. Names that are now whispered with reverence: Partagas, Romeo y Julieta, Montecristo, were born in these sprawling, sun-drenched buildings. Picture hundreds of workers, the torcedores their fingers moving with a dancer's precision, rolling each cigar by hand. Their rhythmic craft was the heartbeat of the city, a sound that echoed through the colonial courtyards and grand archways. The story of a Cuban cigar begins in the fields of Pinar del Rio, where the world's finest tobacco plants reach for the Caribbean sun. The unique combination of soil, humidity, and tradition creates a leaf unlike any other. Each leaf has a destiny, the *capote* for binding, the *tripper* for the complex filler, and the flawless *kappa*, the wrapper leaf, as smooth and delicate as silk. Harvested by hand, these leaves would then embark on a long, patient journey of curing and fermentation, a process that could take years, unlocking the deep, nuanced flavors that define a true Habano. Back in the factory, the lector would sit on a raised platform, reading aloud from newspapers and classic novels to entertain and educate the rollers as they worked. This tradition created a unique, almost sacred atmosphere. It was a community, a family bound by a shared passion for perfection. Every single cigar was a testament to this human touch, an individual creation carrying the soul of its maker. They weren't just products, they were ambassadors of Cuban culture, symbols of luxury and sophisticated pleasure enjoyed in the most exclusive smoking rooms around the globe. But time, as it does, brought change, revolutions, embargoes, and the tides of history washed over Havana. Many of these grand factories were nationalized, others fell into disrepair, their ornate facades crumbling, their vast rolling rooms falling silent. The echoes of the lector's voice faded, replaced by the quiet hum of memory. Today, some of these buildings still stand, repurposed or preserved as museums, their walls saturated with the phantom aroma of priceless tobacco. They are silent monuments to a golden age. Yet the legacy of these lost factories endures. It lives on in the skills of the new generation of to RCEDORES in the rich, earthy smoke of a finely crafted cigar, and in the timeless allure of the Habano. To light a Cuban cigar today is to connect with that history, to hold a piece of old Havana's soul in your hand. It's an invitation to slow down, to savor the moment, and to appreciate a craft perfected over centuries. This isn't just about smoke, it's about the story, the prestige, and the enduring spirit of a city and its most famous creation. The factories may be lost to time, but their legend will never fade. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mists of history. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of Old Havana, consider subscribing and following our channel for more stories steeped in tradition and craft. We appreciate your time and curiosity.